the gate. Away and running at the fairgrounds. Sarah's Arctic Jewel breaks with pace. Napanee Road, tapper speed there by James Graham. And Napanee Road, the fastest one at the end of a half furlong from Sarah's Arctic Jewel down the crown in the three path as they turn now. Then Had to Be running in fourth. Career Miss at the rail. Anquihitas now improving position. And Career Miss gets shuffled back to last. Around the first turn they go. Napanee Road and Sarah's Arctic Jewel, a 16-race maiden. They're now on even terms. And down the crown in the garden spot right there running third. And then Quahitas next in fourth. Had to Be soon outpaced. And Career Miss now one off the fence. The opening quarter, 23-3 as they head to the half-mile pole. Tammy Smith and Sarah's Arctic Jewel by a half length to Napanee Road. 5 lengths back to Down the Crown and Quahitas. And the choices are 4 and 5 lengths adrift respectively now with 4 furlongs to go. Then a break to Career Miss now being cajoled along, and Had to Be has dropped back to the tail. Half mile 46-2 going into the far turn. Sarah's Arctic Jewel leads Napanee Road. Now this is 3 furlongs out. Quahitas and Emma Jane Wilson and ever closer third. Down the Crown and Joe Talamo losing ground through that turn is Down the Crown who needs to rally right now. Career Miss working up to the tail of Down the Crown and Had to Be as last to make the top of the stretch where Sarah's Arctic Jewel has turned for home in front. 3/4, 1:13-3. Down to this final furlong and a half. Sarah's Arctic Jewel, desperate moments now. Quahitas Down the Crown, now delivering her challenge. Career Miss is on the stand side. Final furlong. Quahitas driven hard. Quahitas in front. Final half furlong. Sarah's Arctic Jewel Down the Crown. Same pace late up toward the wire. Here's Quahitas, the daughter of Menifee in the 12:30 opener. Quahitas going away. Sarah's Arctic Jewel second, Down the Crown third, and Career Miss was a well-beaten fourth.